With more devices interconnected and the convergence between OT and IT, the overall attack surface is expanding, and cyber threats are on the rise. Be smart. Protect your industrial networks. Scan what to secure. Deploy EtherCatch and EtherFire throughout your network and use the Security Dashboard Console to gain visibility and cybersecurity status of your network. Manage security architecture. Secure and segment your networks with the latest EtherCatch and EtherFire. Equipped with OT-centric DPI technology, they provide fine-grained access control, IPS defense capabilities, and DOS protection. Accelerate patching. We all know that there are a lot of legacy devices and systems in the network, and they have tons of vulnerabilities. Patch management is crucial to the security of your systems and networks. If you can't patch your devices, it is recommended that you deploy a virtual patch that will virtually patch your devices without affecting any operation in your network. Remote control security. In times like this, more and more people are working from home. Use the Moxa MRC and EtherCatch to make sure remote access to your networks are encrypted and secured. Teach everyone. Knowledge is power. Protect your business by raising cybersecurity awareness across your company. Make sure everyone understands the security policies and their roles and responsibilities. Be smart. Protect your industrial networks with Moxa solutions.